I'm Dr. David Beaulieu, and I'm back. And today I want to give you more news you can use. And I think this is going to be kind of fun because it's not going to be a lot of news to most of you. But I think that it's really, really important. This is research from Newcastle University in England. They've just conducted a meta-analysis. Now, meta-analysis is kind of a viewpoint. They've looked at a whole bunch of studies in a particular area. And this meta-analysis was done on organic food. And they looked at 343 peer-reviewed scientific studies. 343 peer-reviewed scientific studies. Now that's a sizable meta-analysis. That's a lot of studies they've looked at. And they concluded that organic foods are indeed much healthier for human consumption than conventional foods. Gee, we didn't know that, did we? You know, some of us didn't know that. That we've been told by our government, we've been told by our medical societies, and by many in the scientific community, we can eat this crap that comes in cardboard boxes and in packages and be healthy. And we can't, and it's demonstrated in our society. We're getting sicker and sicker all the time, and our children are a perfect example of that. Our obesity rate is a perfect example of that. Our dementias, our autistic spectrum disorders are an example of that. They said organic foods contain a much higher amount of antioxidants, which prevent oxidation in the body, and it combats certain diseases, including cancer. And that consumers who switch to organic fruits, vegetables, and cereals would get 20 to 40%. That can't be right, can it? 20 to 40% more antioxidants? That's the equivalent of about 2 extra portions of fruit and vegetables a day with no increase in caloric intake? Wow! Then buying organic is a bargain? It doesn't cost more, it saves you? I think you could look at it that way. Organic foods also contain less pesticides, and the pesticides are extremely harmful, not only to us, but to the animals around us and the honeybees. So we've got to be really, really careful here. Conventionally grown foods are 3 to 4 times more likely to contain pesticide residues. Wow. While crops harvested from organically managed fields sometimes contain pesticide residues, you can't keep them off if the guys around you are all using pesticides, the levels are usually 10-fold to 100-fold lower in organic food. Not only is organic food better for you and I, it's better for our environment. I think that's enough said about that.